Hi friends, today I came with a useful product from UGREEN. 2.5 inch SATA hard drive enclosure, which comes with features like high-speed transfer files, impact absorbing and very easy to insert the SSD or HDD. Specifications: input USB 3.0 and output 715p SATA. Transfer speed up to 3 Gbps. Now we can go for unboxing, and we'll check what all come inside the box. First comes the USB 3.0 cable. Then come booklet and user manual. To buy this product, check my description or comment box, which I bought from Amazon. Here comes the main item, the hard drive enclosure. 9.5mm and below, thickness to 0.5 inch SATA HDD SSD. There is one indication light on the enclosure. It looks comfortable in hand to carry anywhere. The enclosure is easy to open, then you can see the serial ATA. We can now install the SSD, which I removed. From my old damaged laptop, it simply attached the SSD to serial ATA in the enclosure. You have to easy push into the enclosure and make sure the SSD attached properly with the serial ATA. Then attach the USB 3.0 cable with the enclosure. There comes your external hard disk, which is ready to use. Now I will show how fast this external hard drive read by the computer. When we connect the USB to our computer, you can see the indication light blinking dot, same like the ordinary external hard drive. You can see the hard drives showing in the laptop. I told you guys this SSD I removed from my old laptop. So there will be two partitions, which you can see how. Some important data was there, so I can't format. If you want to use as fresh external hard drive can format. If you have an old laptop, you can remove the HDD or SSD and use an external hard drive using this product UGREEN 2.5 inch SATA hard drive enclosure. Cheaper than the new external hard drive. Thank you for watching.